Today I'm going to show you how to make a Campobello cocktail. Now, a Campobello cocktail is going to be made using your basic build technique. So you're going to take your ice and pour it into your 16-ounce beer glass. Now, you're going to be using Campari, gin, and sweet vermouth in this cocktail, just to get a heads up. Now, Campari is an Italian liqueur that's basically a bitter aperitif. You're going to be putting in 3/4 of an ounce or 3 count. 1, 2, and 3. Next, you're going to be using your London Dry gin. You can feel free to use a well or maybe something higher end like Sapphire or Beefeater. Also 3/4 ounce or a 3 count. 1, 2, and 3. And last but not least, your sweet vermouth. Your sweet vermouth, when you're behind the bar, you want to keep it refrigerated to expand the shelf life. Also a 3/4 ounce pour or 3 count. 1, 2, and 3. Now, after shaking the ingredients, you're going to strain it into a cocktail glass. So you want to get that ready. And you pour your ingredients into the mixing tin. Shake vigorously. You're going to want to water down the actual drink a little bit with the ice to make it a little bit more pleasing to the palate. And then straining the drink directly into your martini glass. And that's your Campobello, really beautifully colored, magenta, sweet cocktail that you'll undoubtedly enjoy.